Hello everyone. So let us continue and discuss our next form, which is homogeneous differential equation form. We have already discussed two forms. We have discussed variable separable form and reducible to variable separable form. Now the next form which we will be discussing is homogeneous differential equation form. Before that, let us first try to understand what is a homogeneous equation. सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं कि homogeneous equation हम किससे कहते हैं. So the definition says a homogeneous equation of the form f of xy is said to be a homogeneous equation of degree n when f of tx ty is equals to t to the power n f of xy. So if f of tx ty is equals to t to the power n f of xy, then f of xy is said to be a homogeneous equation of degree n. For example, consider an equation of this form: x to the power 4 by 3 plus 2h x to the power 2 by 3 y to the power 2 by 3 plus k y to the power 4 by 3. Let us say this is our equation f of xy. Now let us say if this equation is a homogeneous equation or not, and if it is a homogeneous equation, then what is the order of this equation. So let us find f of tx comma ty. Okay, so what would be f of tx ty? It would be tx to the power 4 by 3 plus 2h tx to the power 2 by 3 plus ty to the power 2 by 3 plus k ty to the power 4 by 3. Can I write this equation as t to the power 4 by 3 into x to the power 4 by 3 plus 2 x to the power 2 by 3 y to the power 2 by 3 plus k y to the power 4 by 3. Or I can say this is equals to t to the power 4 by 3 into f of xy, because this term is equals to f of xy. So what did we get? We got f of xy is equals to t to the power 4 by 3 into f of xy. So in this case, my f of xy is an homogeneous equation of degree 4 by 3. सभी को समझ में है कि how do we define a homogeneous equation? So homogeneous equation of degree n satisfies the condition that f of tx ty is equals to t to the power n f of xy. Or if we have an equation of the form such that f of tx ty is equals to t to the power n f of xy, then such an equation is termed as a homogeneous equation. So ऐसी equation को हम homogeneous equation कहते हैं. I hope सभी को homogeneous equation की definition अच्छे से समझ में आ गई है. Now let us understand what is a homogeneous differential equation. This is the definition of a homogeneous equation. अब देखते हैं कि homogeneous differential equation हम किसे कहते हैं. So homogeneous equation की condition है that f of tx ty is equals to t to the power n f of xy, and n is the degree of the homogeneous equation. Now let us understand what is a homogeneous differential equation. So next thing which we have to understand is a homogeneous differential equation. So a differential equation of the form dy by dx is equals to f of xy is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if f of xy is a homogeneous equation of degree 0. That is, so what did we get? A differential equation dy by dx is equals to f of xy is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if f of xy is a homogeneous equation of degree 0, or I can say f of tx comma ty is equals to t to the power 0 f of xy. What does this mean? This means that the differential equation is just dependent upon the nature of x upon y rather than dependent on x or y individually. Once again, let us understand what is a homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx equals to f of xy is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if f of xy is a homogeneous equation of degree 0, or I can say f of tx is equals to t to the power 0 f of xy. What do we conclude from here? That dy by dx equals to f of xy is just dependent on the nature of x upon y rather than being dependent upon x और y individually. यहाँ से क्या मिल रहा है, हम tx और t को, हम x और y को एक ही proportion से change करते हैं तो equation में कोई change नहीं आ रहा है, which means the equation is dependent upon the nature of x upon y rather than being dependent upon x and y individually. So now is everyone clear what is a homogeneous equation or what is a homogeneous differential equation? Homogeneous equation of degree n is said to be an equation which satisfies the condition f of tx ty is equals to t to the power n f of xy. Now what is a homogeneous differential equation? A homogeneous differential equation of the form dy by dx equals to f of xy is said to be a homogeneous differential equation when f of xy is a homogeneous equation of degree 0, or I can say that this function f of xy is just dependent upon the nature of x upon y rather than being dependent upon the nature of x and y individually. So सभी को clear है that how do we define a homogeneous equation and a homogeneous differential equation. Perfect. Now let us try to understand how to solve a homogeneous differential equation. Now let us say we have a differential equation of the form dy by dx is equals to f of xy upon g of xy, where f of xy and g of xy are homogeneous equations of same degree. So what are we getting from here is that we have a function dy by dx equals to f of xy upon g of xy, where f of xy and g of xy are homogeneous equations of same degree. What does this mean? This means if this by dy by dx, which is equals to f of xy upon g of xy, I say this is equals to some function phi of x comma y, then this phi of x comma y I'll say is a differential equation, is a homogeneous differential equation. समझिए कैसे? If I want to find phi of tx comma ty, so this would be equals to f of tx ty upon g of tx comma ty. And what do I know? F and t are homogeneous equations of same degree. So let us say the degree of f and g is some n. So this f being a homogeneous equation can be written as t to the power n f of x comma y, and g can be written as again t to the power n g of x comma y, because we have been given that both the equations have a same degree. So this can be written as t to the power 0 f of x comma y upon g of x comma y, and this is equals to t to the power 0 phi xy. So what we will be getting from here is that phi of tx ty is equals to t to the power 0 phi xy, which means that dy by dx which is equals to f of xy upon g of xy is a homogeneous differential equation. So one thing I have got from here is that dy by dx equals to f of xy upon g of xy is a homogeneous differential equation. And what do we know? That a homogeneous differential equation is just dependent upon the nature of x upon y or y upon x rather than being dependent upon x and y. So from here I can write that my dy by dx is, let us say, a function of x comma y. So let's say my dy by dx is a function of x upon y, or I can write that my dx by dy is a function of x comma y. It is the same way to say both the things. या तो हम कहें that dy by dx is a function of x comma y or dx by dy is a function of x by y. Now what is the standard way to solve such kind of differential equations? So homogeneous differential equation को सबसे पहले identify करने का तरीका सबको समझ में आ गया. We have to identify that this equation is a homogeneous differential equation, and the way to identify is that f of tx ty upon g of tx ty is equals to f of xy upon g of xy. अगर इस तरह की कोई equation मिल गई हमें, तो what we will say that this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now once we have identified that the equation is a homogeneous differential equation, the next question is how to solve such an equation. So in order to solve such an equation, the standard approach is, we know that dy by dx is a function of x comma y. Sorry, dy by dx is a function of y by x, not x by y. dy by dx would be a function of y by x and dx by dy would be a function of x by y. So let us say y is equals to vx, perfect, or I can say y by x equals to v. So I can say my dy by dx which is equals to f of y by x is even equals to f of v, because we have substituted y by x is equals to v. So now let us differentiate this equation. So यहाँ से differentiate करेंगे तो I'll get dy by dx is equals to v plus dv by dx into x, perfect. And I know dy by dx is equals to f of v. This is equals to f of v. So what can I write from here? I can write dv by dx into x is equals to f of v minus v, or I can write dv upon f of v minus v is equals to dx upon x. What is this? I say this is a variable separable form. dv upon f of v minus v, v के variable सारे एक साथ, v का function पूरा एक तरफ, and dx upon x. So this equation which was in homogeneous differential form, now we have reduced it to variable separable form. और variable separable forms solve करना सभी को आता है. We'll integrate on both sides plus a constant. So whatever result we will get would be the solution of this differential equation. Or if we write it in this form, that dx by dy is equals to function of x by y, so I'll write x by y is equals to v, or x is equals to, let us say, vy. So we'll say dx upon dy will be equals to y plus dv by dy into y, perfect. Sorry, this will be equals to v plus dv by dy into y. And we know what is dx by dy? dx by dy is equals to function of v. So I can write phi of v is equals to v plus dv by dy into y, or I can say phi of v minus v is equals to dv into y upon dy, or in variable separable form this can be reduced to dy upon y is equals to dv upon phi of v minus v. So this equation, which was in homogeneous differential equation form, we have again reduced it to variable separable form. So is everyone clear what is the way to solve a homogeneous differential equation? सो अगर होमोजेनस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, सबसे पहले तो वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट इट इज अ होमोजेनस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. द वे टू सॉल्व इज दैट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट dy by dx is a differential, is a homogeneous equation of degree 0. If you can prove that, then we know that we have a homogeneous differential equation form. And what is the standard approach to solve it? Just substitute y by x equals to v or x by y equals to v and then solve it in this way. So जो equation हमारे पास एक homogeneous equation के form में थी, now it has reduced to variable separable form. And once it has been reduced to variable separable form, so solving the question is simple. Integration, यहाँ पे हमें simply integration apply करना है and whatever result we will get will be the solution of our differential equation. So is everyone perfectly clear कि what is the standard way to solve homogeneous differential equation? These are theoretical part था. We will solve some illustrations based upon it, so you will get more comfort. But the theory is clear. Now you understand what is a differential equation, what is a homogeneous differential equation, and what is a homogeneous equation. Now let us do one thing. Let us solve an illustration to understand this concept. I hope सभी ने ये नोट डाउन कर लिया था. So write down a question and we will try to solve the question using homogeneous differential equation. So let us say we have an equation of the form x square y into dx minus x cube plus y cube into dy is equals to 0. Perfect. So we have this differential equation and we have to find the solution of this differential equation. So यहाँ से can I write dy by dx will be x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Can I write this way? From here I can write dy by dx is equals to x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now is this a homogeneous differential equation? Let us try to find out. Let us say this is some phi of x by y. So let us say this is some function of phi of y by x. So let us try to find out phi of tx ty upon tx. So phi upon ty by tx would be what? T cube x square y upon t cube x cube plus y cube. T cube will cancel, so we will get this is equals to phi of y by x. So the equation that we have right now with us is a homogeneous differential equation. हम prove कर चुके हैं that the equation that we have is a homogeneous differential equation. Now the second step is to solve this question. अब homogeneous differential equation को solve करने का standard तरीका क्या है? Standard way is we have to substitute y by x is equals to v. This is the way to solve this question. So let us say y by x equals to v or y is equals to vx. So what do we get? We get dy by dx is equals to v plus dv by dx into x. Okay, and what is dy by dx? It is a function of v. So I can write this dy by dx present here. I can write this equation as y by x upon 1 plus y by x whole cube. Perfect. And we already have substituted y by x as v. So this is equals to v upon 1 plus v cube. This is my dy by dx. So here I can write dy by dx is equals to v upon 1 plus v cube. This is equals to v plus dv by dx into x. On solving, what we'll get? We'll get minus v to the power 4 upon 1 plus v cube is equals to dv into x upon dx, or this equation I can write as dx upon x is equals to 1 upon v cube upon minus v to the power 4, which is equals to minus 1 upon v to the power 4 plus 1 upon v. This is equals to dx upon x, this into dv. Now, what is the way to solve this? This has been reduced to variable separable form. So, variable separable form हमको solve करना आता है. Let us integrate on both the sides. So, whatever result we will get after integration is going to be our solution of the differential equation. तो जल्दी से बताइए मुझे इसका integration क्या आएगा? आसान सा integration है. This would be ln x. This would be minus v to the power minus 3 upon minus 3 minus ln v plus some constant c. So this is the solution for my differential equation. तो सभी को समझ में आ गया होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उस पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस कैसे सॉल्व करना है. आसान सा है. सबसे पहले जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई इट एज अ होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सब्स्टिट्यूट y equals to vx or x equals to vy depending upon the nature of the equation and then you can solve the question. ऐसे इस तरह से सब्स्टिट्यूट करके हम आसानी से इक्वेशन को वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में रिड्यूस कर देते हैं. आफ्टर दैट इट इज प्योर इंटीग्रेशन. जस्ट अप्लाई द इंटीग्रेशन द इक्वेशन कुड बी सॉल्व्ड. So is everyone clear? Let us do one thing. Let us solve some more illustrations on this form only. So just note this down, then we will solve one more question based upon it. जल्दी से इसे नोट डाउन कर लीजिए and then we will solve one more question. Now let us solve one more illustration. Let us say we have an equation of the form 1 plus 2 e to the power x upon y into dx plus 2 e to the power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y into dy is equals to 0. So हमारे पास ये differential equation and we have to find the solution of this differential equation. So let us see how can we reduce this differential equation first. Can I write here that dx upon dy is going to be equals to minus 2 e to the power x upon y minus 1 minus x into 1 minus x by y upon 1 plus 2 e to the power x upon y. Perfect. So I have dx by dy is equals to some function. Now is this a homogeneous differential equation? सबसे पहले तो ये पता करते हैं. So what is the way to find out? हम let us say this dx by dy is some function of xy. Now one way to find out is substitute this f of x by y, f of tx dy and find out that f of tx dy is equals to f of xy. That is, this is a homogeneous equation of degree 0. Or the other way to find out is हम जानते हैं that a homogeneous differential equation instead of being dependent upon x or y, it is dependent upon x upon y, which means that this function should be dependent upon the nature of x and upon y rather than being dependent upon x or y individually. So यहाँ पे check करते हैं. What I can see is that this function here, it is just dependent upon the nature of x upon y. We have 2 e to the power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y plus upon 1 plus 2e x upon y. So this function is not dependent upon x and y individually, but it is rather dependent upon x upon y. So you can directly say that this equation is a homogeneous differential equation because it is dependent upon x upon y rather than on x and y separately, which even means that here this function which I have is a function of x upon y. Because it is not dependent upon x and y in any way, it is just dependent upon x upon y. So I have my dx by dy is a function of x upon y. It is a homogeneous differential equation. अब homogeneous differential equation है तो solve करने का क्या तरीका? वही standard approach. Substitute x upon y as v. Now why we have selected x upon y as v rather than y by x as v? Because what I can see is that the equation is completely in the form of x upon y. That is the reason in this case we have selected x upon y. So I have x upon y as v or x is equals to vy I can write dx by dy is equals to v plus dv by dy into y. So this is my dx by dy, and from here I know dx by dy is a function of v, which is 2 e to the power v 1 minus v upon 1 plus 2 e to the power v. This is equals to dx by dy. Perfect. So I know dx by dy is equals to 2 e to the power v into 1 minus v upon 1 plus 2 e to the power v, and a negative sign here. So we can write dx by dy, which is equals to v plus dv by dy into y. This guy is equals to minus 2 e to the power v upon into 1 minus v upon 1 plus 2 e to the power v. और इसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो विल गेट v प्लस 2 e to the power v into v plus dv by dy into y into 1 plus 2 e to the power v. This guy is equals to minus 2 e to the power v plus 2v e to the power v. Perfect. 2v e to the power v, 2v e to the power v यहाँ से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we'll get v plus 2 e to the power v plus dv by dy into y plus 1 plus 2 e to the power v. This guy is equals to 0, or I can write from here dy upon y is going to be equals to minus dv upon v plus 2 e to the power v into 1 plus 2 e to the power v. Perfect. So इस इक्वेशन को अब हमने वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में रिड्यूस कर दिया है. What do we have? We have dy upon y is equals to minus dv into 1 plus 2 e to the power v upon v plus 2 e to the power v. Now what we will solve this question? हमें दोनों साइड को इंटीग्रेट करना है, and after integration whatever will we get will be the solution of this differential equation. So integrate करते हैं. What will get here? Ln y is equals to minus ln v plus 2 e to the power v plus ln c, or I can write y into v plus 2 e to the power v is equals to some constant, let us say c1. Perfect. Now v की जगह पे हम क्या रखेंगे? v was equals to x upon y. So I'll write y into x upon y plus 2 e to the power x upon y is equals to some constant c, and this is the solution of our differential equation. So question सभी को समझ में आया? वही स्टैंडर्ड अप्रोच, फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई द इक्वेशन इज अ होमोजेनस इक्वेशन, और एक बार हम ये समझ पाए वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट इधर x by y as v और y by x as v एंड ट्राई टू रिड्यूस इट टू वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म. और एक बार वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में आ गया फिर तो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना बहुत ही आसान है. सो इज एवरीवन परफेक्टली क्लियर विद दिस क्वेश्चन? आई होप इसके बाद होमोजेनस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फॉर्म सभी को कंफर्ट लेवल आ गया एंड एवरीवन वुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व मोर क्वेश्चन बेस्ड अपॉन इट. तो एक और क्वेश्चन लिखिए. I want you to solve this as an assignment, और अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो we will discuss it in tomorrow's lecture. So write down the question. We have an equation of the form 2 under root xy minus x dy plus y dx equals to 0. I want you to find the solution of this differential equation. चेक कर लीजिए, इज दिस अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इन होमोजेनियस फॉर्म? उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू रिड्यूस दिस इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y by x. So write down dx by dy and tell me is this a homogeneous differential equation or not? अगर homogeneous differential equation है so you can use this form, otherwise you'll have to go back to the previous forms, either variable separable form or reducible to variable separable form. तो चेक कीजिए is this a differential equation or not? Is this a homogeneous differential equation or not? सॉल्व करके बताइए मुझे. बहुत आसान है, जल्दी से चेक कीजिए. आपने सॉल्व किया. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, perfect. So these people are telling that this is a homogeneous differential equation, and since this is a homogeneous differential equation, this can be solved using our standard approach, that is by substituting x by y is equals to v. Substitute x by y as v and solve the question. Try to reduce this to variable separable form and then simply integrate. So this is an easy question. ज़्यादा problem नहीं होगी. So just solve this as an assignment. Now let us switch to our next form, which is equations reducible to homogeneous equation form. अभी तक हमने क्या देखा? वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म, रिड्यूसिबल टू वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म. सो रिड्यूसिबल टू वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में कैसी इक्वेशंस होती थी? ऐसी इक्वेशंस जो डायरेक्टली तो वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में नहीं है, लेकिन अगर हम उन्हें प्रॉपर सब्स्टिट्यूशंस अप्लाई करें तो वो वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में आ सकती है. And what would we tell about equations reducible to homogeneous equation form? These are those equations which are not directly in homogeneous equation form, but if we substitute them with proper substitutions, then equations could be reduced to homogeneous equation form. So let us see how to solve such equations.